Do you find that only a few days after doing your food shopping that you suddenly have nothing to eat? I'm Sarah. I'm a busy housewife and a passionate home cook. When I got married, I quickly realized two things: that food is expensive and that the culture of food budgeting and meal planning is largely lost. I'd spend a reasonable amount of money on my weekly food budget, and after 3 days would find that I had nothing to eat. I didn't know what was going wrong, and it made me rethink and really study how to manage food budgeting well. I found the key to lie in traditional dishes. These are dishes from a time where people didn't have a lot of options. They ate seasonally and frugally, and healthily too. Being inspired by traditional dishes, here at Tradish, we want to help you to cook easy meals that save you time, to budget effectively to save money, and to implement a realistic meal plan. I have no formal training. I'm just a normal person who loves to cook. So if I can do this, so can you. If this all sounds valuable to you, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our content. Welcome to our community, and keep it Tradish.